Today, let me tell you why we can't cooperate with the factories that quote the lowest price. Before that, let's talk about some features about these low-prices factories. First, they are usually established for no more than 3 years. Second, the annual export amount is usually less than $1.5 million. Third, more than 90% of their exportation to foreign countries are interior wall panels. Fourth, the prices they give you are based on the cost of interior wall panels, and also the panel quality you received is equal to interior panels. Fifth, they have less than 20 customers in the world, and it is impossible to undertake projects from different countries. Sixth, they have no more than 3 marketing specialists, so they won't have after-sales service. Once quality problem occurs, you will receive zero reply. So, after you know this information, do you still dare to cooperate with these lowest price factories?